Every time someone says the AI when they mean the model, the conversation gets a little less useful. These three terms, AI, ML, model, get swapped around constantly, and it matters more than you'd think. Here's what most explainers miss. The confusion isn't because the words are complicated. It's because marketers, headlines, and even some engineers use them interchangeably. So let's fix that, because once you see the distinction, you can't unsee it, and you'll read every AI headline differently. Start with AI. Artificial intelligence is the broadest term of the three. It's the goal. Getting machines to do things we'd call intelligent if a human did them. Recognizing faces, translating languages, driving a car. AI doesn't tell you how any of that works. It just says, the machine is doing something that looks smart. Now, machine learning. ML is one approach to achieving that goal. Instead of writing explicit rules, if the pixel is this color, it's a cat. You feed a system thousands of examples and let it find the patterns itself. ML is a method. It's not the only way to build AI. You could use hand-coded rules, decision trees, all sorts. But it's the approach behind most of what's working right now. Then there's the model. A model is what you get after machine learning has done its job. You took data, you ran it through a training process, and out the other side came a file, a set of learned parameters that can actually make predictions or generate text. The model is the artifact. It's the thing you deploy, the thing you update, the thing that has a version number. Here's a concrete way to lock this in. Think of transport. AI is the idea of getting from one place to another. ML is the internal combustion engine, one specific technology for making that happen. And a model is the actual car sitting in your driveway. You drive the car, not the concept of transport. Why does this matter in practice? Because when a headline says, AI can now write legal briefs, the honest version is a specific model, trained using machine learning techniques, produced text that passed a legal benchmark. That's a very different claim. And knowing the difference helps you judge what's real. If that was useful, subscribe. New explainer every week. I'm Ariella.